Introducing FlameWall, New Zealand's first fire-rated fence system. This is our guide on how to install FlameWall. For more detailed design and installation instructions, please refer to the Boundaryline FlameWall PS1 and FlameWall installation guide. Before installing, there are some important things to note. Installing FlameWall before adjacent fencing is recommended to make the installation easier. Each panel weighs 45 kilograms, so require heavy lifting. To ensure a safe and easy installation, a minimum of 3 people are required to lift the panels into place. The panels are fragile and prone to chipping, so care must be taken when handling the panels. Keep the panels vertical when lifting to avoid the risk of them snapping. Due to the panels being porous, they require painting with a base coat and top coat within 14 days of installation. Failure to paint within 14 days will void the warranty. FlameWall must be installed on a concrete wall of at least 50 mm and up to 400 mm above finished ground level. A complete FlameWall system consists of 2 post caps, 1 panel cap, 2 C-posts, 3 FlameWall panels, 4 screws, 1 can of FlameWall edge primer, and 1 FlameWall adhesive tube. Apply FlameWall edge primer to the top surface of the concrete wall. Apply primer to the long horizontal edges of the panels. This can be done before unloading when the panels are stacked flat on top of each other. 60 minutes of curing time is recommended before applying adhesive, and the panels must be installed within 4 hours of primer application. Apply a continuous bead of FlameWall adhesive, approximately 10 mm radius is recommended. It is essential for the adhesive to be a continuous bead to prevent any gaps between the panels. Carefully lift the first FlameWall panel, ensuring the panel remains vertical. The panels must be lifted above the C-posts to slide down into position. The easiest method is to have one person in the center, ensuring the panel remains straight and level, while the other 2 people lift and guide the panel into the C-posts. If the panel isn't kept level, there is the risk of catching an edge inside the C-post. Carefully lower the panel the remaining distance, ensuring that at least 35 mm of the panel end is in each C-post. Once in place, gently press down on the panel to ensure the adhesive connects fully with no gaps. Apply the next bead of adhesive to the top edge of the installed panel. Repeat the 3-person method to lower in the next panel. Scrape off or smooth out any adhesive that is pressed out from between the panels. Ensure there are no gaps of adhesive between the panels. Apply another continuous bead of adhesive. Repeat again to install the final panel. Pause. And again, apply a continuous bead of adhesive to the top of the panel. Place the long panel cap onto the top of the panel and press down firmly to ensure proper adhesion. The cap should end at the corner joint between the FlameWall panels and the C-post. The cap may require trimming to fit. Slot the post cap into place. Once in place, fix the cap with the provided screws. Apply a bead of adhesive to the bottom edges of the panel against the concrete on both sides of the fence. Smooth the adhesive to ensure a clean finish. Apply a bead of adhesive to all 4 joints between the C-posts and the panels on both sides of the fence, taking care to avoid getting excessive amounts of adhesive on the powder-coated components. Smooth to a suitable finish and wipe away any excess adhesive on the powder-coated components. Once the adhesive has cured, the panels can be painted. Ensure the panels are clean and dry before painting. Mask the powder-coated components. Apply the base coat to the entire panel on both sides of the fence. Once the base coat is dry, the fence can be painted in the desired color and finish.